Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like it has been quite some time since I have filmed a video. Honestly, the whole month of May has just been crazy for our family, and work stuff has just taken the back burner. I only went to the thrift store and worked like one day the entire month. And yeah, so anyway, it's just been crazy. We've had a lot of stuff going on. We also had a death in the family. John's grandpa passed away a couple of weeks ago, so we've had family here and just a lot of stuff happening. But anyways, we're finally like back into routine, and summer is officially here. So Jack is out of school for the year. He finished kindergarten, which is crazy. And so yeah, this summer we are just playing t-ball. Barrett is playing t-ball this year for the first year, and it's so cute. And we just finished up Memorial Day. We always host like a Memorial Day party at our house with our closest friends and stuff. So we did that. And yeah, I'm finally like getting back into the swing of things. Also update on our laundry room. It's like 85% finished. The vanity side's finished. I have talked to you guys, at least on Instagram. I can't remember if I've talked about it on here or not. But like the washer and dryer area is finished. We installed a new toilet, got all that situated. Next up, like the next biggest part would be the shower in the corner in there. So that's the next project as far as that room goes. And then the rest will just be like minor details as far as like painting and then decorating, which I'm very excited about. So that's the update on all of that. I also planted some flowers and stuff. So I'm planning to share like a home tour soon. I haven't done that in a very, very long time. The last time I shared a home tour was at Christmas time. And a lot has changed in our house since then. So I was wanting to hold off on the home tour once this room was done. So anyway, I will be sharing that soon as well. But for today, I am at Renew. So I just pulled up at the thrift store that I work at. And I think I'm going to take you guys in with me today. We're just going to do some thrifting because I haven't shared a thrift with me in a very long time. So that's what we're going to be up to today. But if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Nicole and this is A Simplistic Home. And here on my channel, I share all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. I do work at a local thrift store. I come here every single Wednesday, and I shop around for my favorite things, and then I style them in a section for locals to come and shop. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, be sure to do that. I'll leave my handle here on the screen. Every Wednesday, you'll find me in stories thrifting every single Wednesday. So it is very fun, and it's just fun to go in. You guys know I love thrifting and just looking up different things to style in my home, and then sharing with others how they can style them in their home as well. I also love thrifting my clothes. I thrifted this shirt from a few weeks ago at the Goodwill, actually. So anyway, lots of fun things over here that are DIY related, home related, thrifting related, all of that. But be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I would love to have you, and be sure to hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post. But for now, let's head into the thrift store and see what we can find today. Okay, so I just got in here and I wanted to show you guys, these are the items that I found in the very back. So I get to go right back there, and those are the things that are recently donated. They still haven't priced them, things like that. They need to like sort through. And anyways, so I get to go through there, which is amazing, and get to grab the things that I want for the section. So this is what I found today. There are some great things in here. This magnolia wreath is beautiful. Love that. I also found this really nice dough bowl. It's huge. This one does have the price tag on it. So this one was originally from Target for $24.99. And someone donated, so that is such a great find. I love looking for different kinds of bowls and whatnot for decor. I also found this little picture. I thought this was pretty. This could be pretty in like a you know, little girl's bedroom or something. So you can see it came from a yard sale. So there is a tip for you if you don't have time to go yard sailing, or you know, have a moment to do that. Whatever doesn't sell at yard sales, 9 times out of 10 gets donated to thrift stores. So most of these things have yard sale stickers on them, believe it or not. I also found this really cute little vessel. I thought this would be cute, even if you wanted to put like utensils in this in your kitchen, or put some like faux greenery in here, whatever, or real greenery. You just pop a plant in there and there'd be a really pretty planter. There are some baskets in here. This one I thought was cute. Maybe not everyone's taste, but it kind of went with the little theme that I have going here in color scheme. I also found this guy here, very cute, be great for hosting. This picture I think is super cute and pretty. Has like the yellow gingham on there. I think that will be an easy seller in my opinion. Found some canisters. See, I told you guys, all of this stuff has yard sale stickers on it. Just a black one with a wooden lid. Found some baskets. I found another wreath. This one's kind of tricky because it is like very pokey, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. Has like the little yellow palms in it. This rug, grapevine, looks like it has never been used. It's just like a little kitchen rug. And then there's baskets, there's some frames. This really nice lamp. It has like the navy base and lampshade, looks brand new. And then I also found this welcome sign. Really nice one. More blue. And then this is really cute too. This is just like a little fish, has a lid on it with the blue. But these are the things that I found on, or in the bag, like I said, recently donated. Going through the clothes, and this is hilarious. Twins. So, Old Navy gauze top, brand new with tags. This is the theme all the time. Things here, brand new with tags. Also, something I want to point out that I think is funny. I didn't know this. So if you did, let me know down in the comments. But the Pioneer Woman, apparently she has her own clothing line. I had no idea. This is actually kind of cute. So there's the tag. It's just a little floral top. Very fun. Okay, I am in the dressing room now. So what I like to do, after I go through all those clothes, I come in here and I try on things, and you know, I like to show everyone what they can find and what'll be in the section. So this is what I am wearing today. I like to show that too, just to give some thrifted inspo, and I do plan on sharing a video soon, sharing just like a ton of thrifted clothing inspiration, or shop my Pinterest. So I am going to be doing that, but this is what I'm wearing today. I thrifted this Old Navy gauzy top a couple weeks ago from the Goodwill, and I got it for like $4, and I found the exact same one I already showed you guys today here at Renew, but I just have it paired with some skinny jeans and my mules. So this is what I'm wearing today. As far as what I found to try on, these are the things that I'm trying on. So there are some skirts here, there's a dress, just some like basic tops. So it always fluctuates on how much I find, you know, if the section needs restocked with clothes, things like that. Another thing I wanted to show you, don't forget to check the shoe section at the thrift store. I found these today. They're actually my size, Old Navy originally. They're $4. So I'm going to try those on with some of these outfits. And then I found this pair as well, originally from Walmart, Time and True, and it is $4 as well. So really good shoe finds. Okay, outfit number one. This doesn't look the most flattering because this skirt is way too big for me, and anyway, so this needs to be like taken in and whatnot, but you get the gist. So just like a gauzy top with this maxi skirt. I think that's super cute. I do have it paired with these little sandals. So this is what this outfit looks like, but again, if it was the right sizing, it would look a lot better on. Okay, I am a big fan of this one. So this is a like silky jumpsuit. Does have pockets. The pants are like super flowy, and I do love that it's like a mid-length. I think that that makes it a little more like cooler and whatnot, and you're not like sweating in pants in the summer. But it does have adjustable straps. It's kind of like a halter style, and it does button in the back as well. So I just think that this is very flattering and very comfortable, very mom-friendly. It's something that can be dressed up or down, and yeah, I really like this one. Okay, next up, I found this dress. It's definitely too big for me, so it doesn't look like super flattering, but I think on the right person it would look really cute. So anyway, this dress is originally from Target. It has a lot of really pretty detail with the blue, has some tassels. It also has pockets, and this one's only $6, so I think this is really cute. Okay, we have jeans back on, and I wanted to show some other tops so you can pair it with denim. So whether that be jeans or shorts or whatever, I love a good striped tee, and this one is very soft and stretchy. It's just white, and like these are black stripes. Couldn't tell if it was black or navy, but anyway, yeah, I think this is super cute, and you can dress this a lot of different ways. Okay, probably my favorite top so far. I hate that I have to hold my phone sideways because everything looks so wide. But anyways, this top is originally from Walmart. Love the details here. The sleeves are super cute. It is a size small, and it is only $4, which I think is a great price. But it's gonna be really cute with even like some white shorts. I have denim on obviously with it today, and I think that looks cute too. But really big fan of this one too. This is the final result. Playing with a lot of scale here, trying to play with colors, making sure everything is as coordinated as possible with what I'm working with. Because remember, I just styled this section with things that I find and try to make it look as presentable and just welcoming as possible. So lots of cups. I brought in a chair, and I had a little rug down there. I also ended up bringing in this little blanket rack here, and I thought that was really cute. So yeah, this is what we are working with this week. Every week it changes, so it's a lot of fun. I just got back into the car. I don't have a tripod, so you guys are just like sitting on my dash, but I wanted to show you a mini haul. I literally bought one thing. I was on the fence about several things. I really loved that like raw wood bowl. I kept thinking about like it could go on my buffet and my living room, and I think it'd be really pretty in the fall to just like put some fall like foliage and stuff in there. Anyway, I didn't end up getting it. You guys saw in the clips the aftermath of how I styled all of that, but I did end up grabbing this little guy. It is so cute. So it has like a little kickstand, so it's like a easel type situation for like a photo frame, and then in the front has the candle holder. I have never seen one like this specifically where it has the candle in the front. I just think something about that is just super cool and just like a really cozy feeling. So my thought for this at probably in the fall, I want to put a fall like landscape piece or something along those lines on there, and then put a candle in the front. That just I don't know, something about that just seems super cozy and just like really like lived in. So this was originally $4, and then I have a 15% off discount that anyone can use as long as they mention it at the checkout. So I got this for $3.42, I believe. So really neat little piece. I'm very excited about this. You can use this all year round, but when I saw it, I just thought that'd be really like pretty for the like winter months, or cooler months, I should say. So that is what I picked up today. They have so many pretty things. I am a sucker for like all of like the blue colors and stuff, you guys know. So all of those dishes that I had on the section, like the little teacups and saucers, there was some dinner plates, the blue like goblet cups and stuff. Those were so pretty, but it's just not something that I would use all the time, like enough to buy it. And I also don't have like a place to display those types of things really. I guess I could put them in my hutch in my dining room, but it's not really like the vibe I have going in there. So anyway, I left them there, but they were such fantastic prices. I think those plates, like the large dinner plates, was a set of like 10 or something like that, and they were $12 for the set. The goblet cups, I mentioned those to you guys earlier, those were what was it, 3 for $1 or 50 cents each, depending on like how many you wanted. And then the teacups with the saucers were $2 per like set. So very inexpensive. That piece I just showed you guys was very inexpensive, but it feels so good to be sharing more just content with you guys. Like I said, the whole month of May has just been like very crazy and very like unpredictable. So got off track, but we are back now. But one of the things I'm going to be sharing soon, I have been getting some like spring, now more summer clothing, and I really want to show you guys some stuff that I purchased from Walmart recently. So I'm going to be doing like a spring summer clothing haul that's all very affordable, and some of that will be like a shop my Pinterest style. I mentioned that to you guys earlier, so I'm very excited about that. But I shared some of that over on Instagram, and I'm super pleased with what Walmart has out right now, especially for like staples. So anyways, but that is going to be all for today's video. Stay tuned for more videos coming from me. I feel like I say that a lot to you guys, but life has just been weird lately. So anyways, but yes, we're going to be getting into a lot of fun things this summer. I'm going to be showing a home tour. We've been planting flowers and stuff in the backyard and just doing a lot of things along those lines. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.